Amidst the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine, a grim milestone has been reached as Ukraine's military reports record casualties on the Russian side. With 1,740 troops lost in a single day, this marks the highest daily casualty count since the conflict erupted over 2 years ago. The toll on Moscow's forces now stands at approximately 484,030 casualties since the Kremlin's full-scale invasion on Ukraine in February 2022, according to statistics disclosed by Kyiv's armed forces. The recent update posted by Ukraine's military also details significant losses in terms of equipment, with more than 30 tanks and 42 armored vehicles reported lost by Russian forces within the previous 24 hours. However, experts caution that casualty counts and equipment losses are challenging to ascertain accurately, with both sides likely inflating the others' reported losses. Despite the difficulty in verifying exact figures, the sheer scale of the war's impact is evident as it enters its third year. This revelation comes as Russia launches a new offensive in northeastern Ukraine, further intensifying the already devastating conflict. International estimates vary, with the UK Defence Ministry suggesting total Russian casualties surpassing 465,000, while French sources estimate around 500,000, with approximately 150,000 fighters killed. The BBC's Russian service and Russian independent outlet Mediazona previously reported at least 50,000 Russian soldiers confirmed dead. Despite the mounting casualties, Moscow has remained reticent about acknowledging its losses, with official statements limited since September 2022, when Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu disclosed just under 6,000 Russian fighters killed. Ukraine too has suffered heavy losses, although updates on the toll of fending off Russian assaults are rare. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky previously stated that 31,000 Ukrainian troops had been killed in 2 years of war. However, Russia disputes this figure, claiming Kyiv lost 215,000 soldiers in 2023 alone. The conflict has seen fluctuations in casualties, often spiking during drawn-out or fierce battles for key settlements such as Avdiivka, a former Ukrainian stronghold. Moscow's casualties are expected to increase further in the coming months as Russia directs more resources towards fighting in eastern Ukraine. While the bulk of Moscow's efforts have recently focused on the eastern part of the country, a new push on northeastern Ukraine's Kharkiv region has been reported by Ukrainian officials. This development has prompted Kyiv to allocate additional resources to the border region as Russian shelling intensifies, forcing thousands of residents to evacuate. As the conflict persists, the northern border of the Kharkiv region emerges as the most difficult area of fighting, according to regional governor Oleh Syniehubov. The enduring brutality of the war underscores the urgent need for a peaceful resolution and international intervention to alleviate the suffering of civilians caught in the crossfire.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.